his little cafes. Never knew it was cliche. That should bring the tide out of me. Got me saying no. Ooh la 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 la. I'm in awe of you. Do you think that you feel the same way? And we could do. Got my brain up in the muddle.